Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is all about PyTorch, a deep learning and AI framework. So PyTorch is a powerful deep learning library developed by Facebook Meta. It is known for easy and Pythonic syntax, dynamic computation graph, strong support for research and training AI models on CPU and GPU. So PyTorch is widely used in computer vision, NLP and reinforcement training. So let's understand the library with some examples. So firstly, let's start with simple tensor or create a simple tensor. So for that we'll import the library and we'll create the tensor. So tensors are basic building blocks just like NumPy arrays. So now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the second one. So the second one is simple tensor math. So for this let's just import the library. So here we have taken a tensor A and B and now we'll print their sum. So this is how this works, and now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the sum of tensor. So PyTorch handles tensor math efficiently on CPU and GPU. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is generate a random tensor. So for this we'll import the library. So this creates a 2 into 3 tensor with random values from 0 to 1, and now we'll see its output. So here we can see the output. With very simple and short code we can generate random tensor. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is check GPU availability. So let's see this. For this we'll import the library. And now we'll print on this. So this checks if your system can use GPU for fast training or not. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is simple neural network layer. So for this we'll import the library. So in this we'll also import, and now so this will create a simple neural network layer. So and this will give us the output of that, and now we'll see the output, how it looks or what output does it gives. So here we can see this checks and creates a fully connected linear layer with 5 inputs and 3 outputs. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is build a tiny neural network. So for this let's import. So this will create a tiny neural network model. So it will be a 3-layer neural network with value activation. So let's see the output. So here we can see the output of this. So basically PyTorch is a beginner friendly yet powerful framework for AI and deep learning. With PyTorch, you can easily build neural networks, train models and CPU, GPU, experiment for research and create real-world AI application. Its flexible and clean syntax makes it one of the most popular AI libraries today. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.